freaking me out here. Because this is scary. I am a prisoner in my bedroom. Oh, it's up in my flower thing. Oh, God. Oh, God. You know that little arch flower thing that goes over the door casing? Get him, Sadie. Sadie, get her. I know. Ooh. Dude, I got mashed potatoes in there warming up. I think it knocked it. It keeps like hitting the window. Oh, God. Now he's up on Jason's mouse. I can't even get to the door to open it. Now he's on the... He's at the front door, like at the window. I can't even... But he's on the chair. Sadie keeps chasing that damn thing. I'm videotaping it. Okay. Alright. If I can run through the living room and get to the front door. Trying to get through the... He's trying to get through the guy downstairs. Oh, he's stuck. Oh, God. Ooh. His head's stuck in the door. In the door going downstairs. Ah, he's out. Okay. All right. We're not playing no more games. All right. Hold on, mister.